Hello, today I'm going to tell you about JavaScript serializer. You also need for this JSON DLL. Here I'm going to using DLL. Here I'm including using system.runtime.serialize.json and a web.script serialization. These two DLL must be included for a JavaScript serialization. Now first I'm going to define a class which is person and variables name, first name, last name, department, and an address class. Address is also another class which is having address line variable, address line to city, state and country, and an integer pin value. And in person class we are also having an array of name technologies. Now how we will be using these two classes in our project? First we have to define here JavaScript serialization object. First we take here JavaScript serialization object. Now person is our class. Here we are calling our person object p1. Now calling its string variables p1 dot first name. Here I'm going to pass values to these variables, first name, last name, department, and within person we have an address class, and within that address class we will be having a variable name address line, and this will be the value which is passed to this variable. Now again we have passing address line to this value, then city, then state and country. These all are we are just passing values to the variables which are defined in classes. Here for array we have just defined IAS, ASP. Now I'm just printing here all these values. The difference after running this project, it will make it clear that without serialization and with serialization and without deserialization, what will be the differences of getting these results. First, without serialization, I'm just writing here p1. What will be the result? And without serialization and after serialization, how we'll perform serialization? We'll just take this JavaScript JS object dot serialize and then p1, which is our p1 person object, and then we'll be seeing the result. What will be the result after serialization? And deserialization is for deserialization we have to make a person another object we have for a person class, then deserialize it person, and that string, that serialized string, will be taking that serialized string and then make it deserialize, and then we'll be just fetching the values last name and per p2, that technologies array and its index number. What will be the result? Here is just p1 will be just mentioning me the name, and after serialization it will give me the result of JSON array, and deserialization is just fetching some particular data which I have mentioned here, just last name and technology. This is how JavaScript deserialization works. Thank you.